Hello, how are you doing? Doing good? So, in last video we saw some interesting quizzes and I thought that I should make part 3 as well. So, in this video we are going to solve some fun quizzes. So, here is the first quiz. So, x value is 10 and y value is 20 and in z value we are saying that x value is greater than y. So, x value is 10 and y is 20. So, 10 is not uh, bigger than 20, right? So the answer will be false. And uh, here we are saying that it should be not equal to. So whatever is the answer, it will change into another one, right? So here I have printed the question and let's see. Okay, so here is true, right? Now let's go to another quiz. Okay, so x value is true and simply we are printing here x value. Okay, so this is little different. So x plus and here we are bringing the value which is in inside string, you can say. So here we are bringing same value, so which will be 2 again, and minus x, that will be 2, and again here 2, right? So let's do this. Okay, so here is the thing, right? That means I'm just trying to solve it. So the x value will become 2 and this one also will become 2, right? So 2, then here 2, and this 2, right? Okay, so according to me 2 plus 2 will be 4 and this will be minus, right? So it will become 0. But why I'm feeling that I'm missing something or there is something crazy? Uh, there is or there is not. I don't have idea about this, but let's go with 0 and let's see what will come. It's a very basic mathematics, but as this is JavaScript, I'm feeling and I'm doubtful. But anyway, let's check the answer, and if it will be not 0, then we will figure out that how it becomes 18 or some other answer. So let's print this. Okay, 18. Now I have no idea that how it has come, so we will simply go and search it. Rather than exploring multiple websites, we will simply ask ChatGPT. So let's go. So we don't know that how it is coming. No problem. We will check this in end of the video. Till then, if you know the answer, just comment down below and I will be happy to know that from you. So let's move to another one and we will solve this in end of the video. Okay, focus. So array value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here in console we are asking array of 1, right? So as I said that in JavaScript it starts from 0, so it will be 0 and 1. At one place it's 2, then the right answer should be 2. Let's check it out. And let me save and then print it. Yeah, so the right answer is true. This kind of quiz we have solved in previous video, right? So yeah, it's similar. Okay, so this is the next quiz, which is x value is hello, and here it has given space, and then y value is world, right? And here we are asking x value and then y, right? So it will simply print hello, and because this y value is in string, so it will simply print that string. It will not print y value. Okay, so there will be hello and y. The right answer is second one. Let's check it out. Yeah, so as I said that, hello and y will be print as it is because it is in string. If you really want to print world, then you will just remove this and print y, then it will come hello world. Let me show you. Yeah, so you can see here hello world, right? Interesting. Now let's move to another one. So, okay, x value is none, y value is none, and then it asking, basically we are comparing with x and y, right? So none is not a number, and it does not compare, does not add, does not multiply with anything, right? So the right answer should be false because it does not compare, it does not do anything. Nan is not a number. Let's check the answer. Something is wrong. Yes, now it should be right. Yeah, so false, false, you can see because nan is not a number and it does not compare with anything. Now let's move to another one. So, okay, here is x value is California, and here we are asking x dot include for, means is it available or not, this for, right? Okay, so as you can see in California there is FOR, right, in middle, so the answer should be true. Let's check this out. Yeah, so as you can see this one true. If there will be APR or FAR, anything like that, then it will not match and it will give you the false answer, right? Yeah, let's clear this. Yeah, and now let's move to another one. Okay, so here it is. Object 1 has some object. So A value is 1, B value is nothing, and C value is 2, right? In object 2, we have like fetched object 1, and now object 2 dot B dot C equal to 3. Object 2 dot B dot C. B and then dot C. So the right answer will be 3, right? Let's check this out. Oh, here I have done mistake. So now let's check this. Yeah, so answer is 3, right? Because we have assigned it. Now this error has filled, so let's clear this. And I can make little bigger, and let's close this. Okay, cool. Now let's move to another one. Okay, so in the second last video was related to nan, and here again it's asking what is nan. So okay, so here is x value, right? uh, X value is nan, right? So it's asking type of nan. So it's not a number, but if you find type of, then it's a number. The type of nan is a number. Okay, so it will come number. Let's check it out. Yeah, so you can see that it's a number. Okay, this is the next quiz, which is, I don't know which one is the number, but let's check this. So const x value is hello, and in y value we are saying that x dot to uppercase, right? And here we are printing x and y, right? Okay, so we have solved like 2 3 questions related to this, but this is also a similar one. So it will become upper one, and then x value also will be changed. So it will be all in caps. So it will be hello hello with all caps. Let's check the answer. No, it didn't change. The right answer is second. Why? If you know, then let me know in the comment. Okay, so here is another quiz. So x value is 1, 2, and 3, and y value is x dot length is greater than 3. Okay, then print lol, or else print xd. And here x dot push equal to 4. Yeah, so we are pushing here. After this comparison, then I think LOL should be the right answer, because once we push the 4, then it will add and become greater than, right? The length will become 4. So let's test this. No, what is happening today? I'm giving all the wrong answer. So basically, it's not adding. Actually, I don't know why. Uh, I am proving myself wrong today. Like in every question, I'm just giving wrong answer, but uh, something has happened today. Anyway, so here it is not pushing, and before that only it is, executing. So x value is 3 only, and that's why it's printing xd, because the value is false, and that's why it's printing xd. Got it. Okay, now let's move to another one. Okay, we are done. Yeah, so this is the video, and today's question was quite tricky, and I got stuck in some question. So anyway, it will keep going, and we are solving together. I don't say that I am pro or something like that. uh, we are here and we solve together, we learn together. So it was fun, doing that, and I hope you like the video. If you like, then hit the like button, and we will come soon with another video. So basically, it's not converting here. uh, Sorry, it's converting and still being in string. Here you can see string. So let's do this here. So it's like console x, so x value is 2, and here it is converting the value, but as this is uh, in string, so the value will be something like that, and then x value will be again 2, right? And then here it will be 2. Okay, so it's working something like that. And when you add 2 plus 2, then it will not add, but it will concatenate. So it became 22, right? And in 22, it will minus 2, then it will become 20, and then again it will minus 2, then it will become 18. So that's how the right answer is 18. Let's check this out. I'm not sure practical will work or not. We'll check and then we will convert into a string if it won't work, but it should work. Yeah, so you can see that the right answer is 18 and we have found out the finally. So it was tricky, it was uh, very tricky actually, but it was interesting. I hope you learned something new from it and I hope you enjoyed it. So see you in the next video, and till then you just like the video and let's meet in another video. Bye bye.